Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to design the shoulder bolt. Before we get started, download the shoulderbolt.pdf file. This file is available below this video player. Now let me demonstrate the design of the shoulder bolt. Please note, shoulder bolt is a standard part. Standard parts are the ones which we don't manufacture in our company. We buy them from standard part manufacturers. Also note, we don't create drawings for standard parts. I have created this drawing to help you design the 3D design of the shoulder bolt. We refer to the standard catalogs or brochures provided by standard part manufacturers. These catalogs or brochures are generally available on standard part manufacturers' websites. I recommend searching on the internet and finding some technical information about shoulder bolt specifications mentioned in this drawing. The thread size is M8 and pitch 1.25. The shank dia is 10 mm with a tolerance of E9. The length of the shoulder bolt is 40 mm. Now let's get started with the 3D design of this shoulder bolt. Create a new part file with the part name as shoulder bolt. Create a sketch on the side ZX plane. Sketch the profile of the shoulder bolt. Provide necessary dimensions as per the drawing. Update all dimensions as per the drawing. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained and exit the sketcher workbench. Create the shoulder bolt using the shaft command. Let's create a hexagon socket on the head of the shoulder bolt. Create a sketch on the head of the shoulder bolt. Sketch a hexagon. Update all dimensions as per the drawing. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained and exit the sketcher workbench. Create a pocket of depth 4 mm. Let's create the thread. Provide a thread of M8 with metric thick pitch using the thread command. Provide a chamfer of 0.7 mm by 45 degrees as per the drawing. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the shoulder bolt. Swap the window to the die assembly. Right-click on the die plate and open the die plate in the new window. Create a threaded hole of size M8 on the front surface of the die plate. Position the hole in the middle of the die plate. And at a distance of a minimum of 1.5 times the hole size from the die plate's top surface. The thread depth should be 2 mm to 3 mm more than the screw length. The hole depth shall be 2 mm to 3 mm more than the thread depth. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the die plate. Swap the window to the die assembly. Let's assemble the shoulder bolt to the die assembly. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product 1, which is the die assembly. Pick the shoulder bolt from the file selection window. Use the manipulation command and drag the shoulder bolt. Provide a coincidence constraint between the shoulder bolt's axis to the threaded hole's axis on the die plate. Provide a contact constraint between the shoulder bolt step and the front surface of the die plate. Update the assembly. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the die assembly. With this, we have successfully designed the shoulder bolt. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.